भारत और इंडोनेशिया के संबंध हजारों वर्ष पुराने हैं। रामायण और महाभारत से प्रेरित गाथाएं और बाली यात्रा हमारे लोगों के बीच अनवरत सांस्कृतिक और ऐतिहासिक संबंधों के जीते जागते प्रमाण है। मुझे खुशी है कि इंडोनेशिया में बोरोबुदुर बौद्ध मंदिर के बाद अब हम प्रम्बानन हिंदू मंदिर के संरक्षण में भी योगदान करेंगे।
This Prambavas temple complex is very significant one in the Java island, and I think the idea of the visit will also be to see if we can provide support in terms of the restoration of that important monument, which goes back to the times that
the Prime Minister will be visiting Indonesia 8th, 9th July. After that, he'll be in Melbourne, Australia for 10th July, and then New Zealand for 11th July. In Indonesia, the main place of engagement is the capital, Jakarta, but the Prime Minister will also be visiting the cultural center or historic city of Yogyakarta, where he will go to the Prambanan temple complex, where India is planning to work with Indonesia for the, which is by the way a World Heritage Site designated by UNESCO. So India and Indonesia will be collaborating on the conservation work there.
Prambanan temple is also known as Mahashivagraha, and a most magnificent temple perhaps anywhere in the world to the glory of Shiva and Mahesh. As you know, we are about to start cooperation with Indonesia on restoration of the temple. In the Prambanan temple per se complex, there are 240 temples, of which I believe only 16 have been restored. 224 temples need to be restored, and we will be making humble beginning very soon in restoration of these temples. And imagine once, as such it is so magnificent, once all the temples are restored, this will be one of the most beautiful historical, archaeological and spiritual sites in the world.
Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, is working with the Ministry of Culture of the Republic of Indonesia, the Indonesian Heritage Institute, on the preservation of the temple complex. Prambanan Temple is the largest temple compound dedicated to Lord Shiva in Indonesia, completed in the 10th century.
Prambavas temple complex is very significant one in the Java island, and I think the idea of the visit will also be to see if we can provide support in terms of the restoration of that important monument, which goes back to the times that our two countries were linked together in the past. So there's a very important historical connect, there's the heritage aspect of it, civilizational ties between our two countries. And if you go to the middle of Jakarta, you will see this enormous statue of the chariot of Krishna and Arjuna on it, and I think that is a symbolism of the close connect that we've had shared through history, and how to translate that historical tie today into contemporary cooperation which is mutually beneficial is what I think Prime Minister Modi will be seeking to consolidate during his visit.